find themselves in a precarious situation in relationships, when they are not aware of their status, tentatively a certain gender usually go to forge the genotype result. That is one of the reasons why we have sickle cell children today. People go out of desperation, I must marry, age is no longer on my side. Those genders go to forge the genotype results. And consequently, they give birth to sickle cell children who will live with pain for the rest of their life. Live with pain, misery, anguish. To our dearly beloved police officers who are here, you are many a times a target because everybody wants to associate with the man in power, the man in the corridor of power. Sometimes you find yourself in a relationship, it is not even about people checking if you are infected or not, but it is having a child outside wedlock who is living with STD. I have so many of them in my orphanage home. Good number of the children I have in my orphanage home were children born out of wedlock secretly. And even the couple may not be aware. And so when you find yourself in that situation, you have given birth to a seed of your own blood that will grow and live with pain and anguish for the rest of their life. So it is always very important that we know our status and know our partner's status. Regardless of whoever that partner is, you must know that status so that you don't become a victim of bringing somebody forth to life while the person suffer untold pain. To the government, please, it is about time you make a law. This is a law. I championed this law in Anambra State. It went through the first reading, second reading, third reading. It was assented and hoping to be implemented. Our wish is that every average student in Nigeria should know their genotype status. And we are appealing that the stakeholders seated down here, our daddy has already promised us that this place is going to enlarge, that is going to extend his goodwill gestures to build a very bigger facility here. So we are expecting that this place sometime or in nearest future will be a counseling center, a genotype counseling center for every prospective couple. If you want to marry